Keema Naan is a delicious and flavorful Indian bread stuffed with spiced minced meat. It is typically cooked in a tandoor or skillet. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Keema Naan. Step 1. Activate the yeast in 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon sugar. Add 7 grams instant yeast. Combine well. Set aside for 10 minutes for yeast to activate. Step 2. Make the dough. Take 2½ cup plain flour. Add 2 teaspoon milk powder. 2 pinches of baking soda. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon garam seeds. 3 tablespoons curd. Yeast activated. Add activated yeast into the flour. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Add 1 egg. Combine well. Add some lukewarm milk. Knead the dough. Add 2 teaspoon oil. Knead the dough. Our dough is ready. Brush the mat with some oil. Grease the dough as well. Set aside for 1 to 2 hours to rise. It will double up in size. Step 3. Preparing keema stuffing. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add ½ teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 large onion chopped. Sauté well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon green chilies chopped. ½ teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 500 grams chicken mince. Roast well. Add 1 chopped tomato. 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon tandoori masala. 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. ½ teaspoon lemon juice. Sauté well. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Our keema stuffing is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. Let it cool down completely. Step 4. Stuffing the dough. Again, knead the dough for 5 minutes. Divide the dough in 2 pieces for 2 keema naans. Dust some flour. Flatten it, make a small round. Stuff the keema stuffing. Make ball as shown. Dust some flour. Flatten it. Roll out the dough. Grease oil on tray. Flatten it with hands. Make gentle holes as shown. Brush egg or milk. Again, make holes. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Sprinkle some nigella seeds. Chili flakes optional. In a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Apply coriander butter. Keema naan is ready. Serve with ketchup, yogurt, mint chutney, or a curry of your choice for a delightful meal. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.